Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? Hope all are doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Alhamdulillah. I am Mohammad Mujammil Haq, senior assistant teacher, Police Science Kumilla. Today I am going to take a class on English first paper for class 7. The previous day I have discussed about Unit 5 Lesson 1 Begum Ruqayya 1. Today I want to discuss about Unit 5 Lesson 2 and also Begum Ruqayya Part 2. Dear students, our today's lesson is a listening skill based lesson. So already you have learned about this type lesson. At first I read the lesson once or twice, then you have to answer some questions or multiple choice questions. So this is your book. Open your book at page 46. At first read this question. Here are two questions. You should pay attention about this question. Then listen to me. I read out a text which is not here. It is I read out. You listen very attentively. Then try to answer the questions. Then again I read the text and you should take the best answer and some question also. So at first look at the board. Here are two questions. Section A. Question number 1. What did Begum Ruqayya do? What did Begum Ruqayya do to make people remember? To make people remember her husband. Remember her husband. You should give attention these two questions. Then do you know what kind of book she wrote? Do you know what kind of books she wrote? What kind of books she wrote? If you listen to me attentively, then you can answer these questions. You know about Begum Ruqayya, I think, but I read the lesson about more about Begum Ruqayya. Then you can answer this question. So I am going to read the lesson. Begum Ruqayya's husband Shakaz Hussain died in 1909. Ruqayya set up a high school for girls in Bhagalpur in the memory of her husband. It was named Shakawat Memorial Girls High School. There was a dispute among the members of her husband's family over the school land. Later, the school was moved to Calcutta. The school is now of the most popular schools for girls. It is run by the Paschim Bangla state. Ruqayya started her literary work career in 1902 with a Bangla story entitled Pipasha. She wrote a good number of short stories and novels. Her publications are Sultana's Dream and Odrak. Begum Ruqayya died of a massive heart attack on 9 December 1932. So dear students, now I can say that you can answer this question. What did Begum Ruqayya do to make people remember her husband? তার হাজবেন্ডকে স্মরণীয় করার জন্য বেগম রোকেয়া কি করতে চেয়েছিল? Yes, Begum Ruqayya established a school, Shakat Memorial Girls High School, to make people remember her husband. Understand? Then, do you know what kind of books? This is what kind of books. What kind of books she wrote? Yes, she wrote some short stories and novels also. Thanks. Now we go to section B and listen again and take the best answer. Here are 6 questions. At first, listen again the text. Begum Ruqayya's husband Shakat Hussain died in 1909. 5 months after his death, Ruqayya set up a high school for girls in Bhagalpur in memory of her husband. It was named Shakat Memorial Girls High School. There was a dispute among the members of her husband's family over the school land. Later, the school was moved to Kolkata. The school is now of the most popular schools for girls. It is run by the Paschim Bangla state. Ruqayya started her literary career in 1902 with a Bangla story entitled Pipasha. She wrote a good number of short stories and novels. Her publications are Sultana's Dream and Padmarat. Begum Ruqayya died of a massive heart attack on 9 December 1932. Dear students, now look at your book, page 46. Here are 6 questions and try to answer the questions. First question. Question number 1. Shakat Hussain died in A. 1902, B. 1909, C. 1932. You try. After you have tried, then I shall write on the board and you check. Now you try to answer the question. Number 2. Begum Ruqayya set up a girls' high school in A. Kolkata, B. Bhagalpur, C. Pairaband. Number 3. Begum Ruqayya set up this school in memory of her husband, father, mother. A husband, B father, C mother. Already you have know the answer, I think. Number 4. There was a dispute in her husband's family. Here dispute means that the members A were of the same opinion, B had different opinions, C did not like each other. Next, number 5. Shakat Hussain Memorial Girls High School is A private school, B a government school, C a Muslim school. Last one, number 6. Begum Ruqayya wrote a short stories and poems, B novel and poems, C novels and short stories. Dear students, I think you have done the work. So, check your answer with my answer in the board, written in the board. And look, number 1, right answer, correct answer is B, 1909. Number 2, B, Bhagalpur. Number 3, correct answer is A, husband. Number 4, correct answer B, had different opinions. Number 5, correct answer B, a government school. Number 6, correct answer is C, novels and short stories. Dear students, now we go to section C. You can also open your book again, page 47. Answer the following questions. Already you have heard the lessons 2 times. So, number 1. What did Begum Ruqya do for female education? Yes, it is very common, very easy thing. She established a girls' high school, Shakat Memorial Girls' High School for female education. Number 2. Why did she move Shakat Memorial Girls' High School to Calcutta? In the passage, we see that there was a dispute among family members of land. So, she shifted or moved Shakat Memorial Girls' High School to Calcutta. Number 3. What are some of her important writings? A very common question. Yes, it is Pipasha. Her important writings are Pipasha, Sultana's Dream, Padmarag, etc. Okay? So I think you can test yourself by the listening text. You know that there are 4 items in your first part. Part A, listening test. Part B, speaking test. Part C, reading test. Part D, writing test. In the examination, half yearly or annual, there will be reading test and writing test. 80-80, 40-40-80, and listening test 10 and reading, speaking test 10. These are tests in the classroom. When we again go to school, or you will go to school, our class will start it, then we test these items. So it is also important. So now I want to give you a simple homework. In the previous class and today class, you have learned about Begum Ruqya, part 1 and part 2. So, and in your writing section there are some paragraph also, and I think there is a paragraph about Begum Ruqya. So, I want to give this homework. Question: write a paragraph. Write a paragraph about Begum Ruqya. Dear students, before leaving the classroom or my lesson, I want to say something about present situation, COVID-19 pandemic in Bangladesh and the whole world. We are now at home. We cannot go to school. So we are trying to give you something. Our government also trying to give you some lessons on Sangsar TV, and Kumilla district also arrange some class on cable TV. Our school, Pulsha High School, also take steps to do something for you. That's why we are taking class. So you should stay at home. If you go to outside on emergency case, then you must use these marks. I have also used this. Then when you go to outside, you make distance 6 feet or at least 3 feet, and wash your hands several times for 20 seconds with water and soap or sanitizer. Then take rich food, vitamin, take exercise, meditation, enjoy your time, read your lesson, your book or other books also, and pray to Almighty Allah for overcome these situations. Thanks all. Best of luck. Allah Hafiz.